In this demo video, we will be going over how to properly perform a gram stain. We'll be using the slides that you did bacterial smears on from the previous video. Using a clothespin, hold your slide, and we'll perform the first step, flooding the slide with crystal violet. These dropper bottles can be a little tricky, but add a few drops all over the smear. We're going to allow that to sit for 30 seconds. You might find it helpful to perform this technique over a disposable bowl in order to prevent this from going into your sink. These stains will stain your sink, so it's probably best to perform them over a disposable bowl and then just throw it in the trash. After the 30 seconds is up, we're going to rinse the slide using distilled water. I have placed the distilled water in a Petri plate and I'm going to use the dropper that comes with the kit to rinse the slide. Do not squirt the water directly on the smear. Go from the side or the top and rinse the slide well. The next step is to add the grams iodine using the dropper. Add to slide and allow to sit for 10 seconds. Next, rinse again with distilled water. The next step, we will be decolorizing with ethyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol in your own home. You're going to add the decolorizer drop by drop for 15 to 30 seconds. Do not go past 30 seconds on this step. After the 15 to 30 seconds is up, rinse again with distilled water. The final step is to add the saffron and counter stain and allow to sit for 60 to 80 seconds. You will definitely need to use a clock or a watch that has a seconds hand to perform all of the steps listed for the gram stain. It's important that you try to stay as close to the guidelines for the time to properly perform this technique. After the counter stain has set for 60 to 80 seconds, again rinse with distilled water, then blot the slide dry with a paper towel. Blot gently, not too firmly. Just want to remove any excess moisture from the slide. Now your slide is ready to view on your microscope. And this is your finished product.